If WhatsApp keeps crashing on your Android phone, here is how to fix it quickly. First, try restarting your phone. That alone can solve temporary glitches. If that doesn't help, go to Settings, then Apps, App Management, or Manage Apps depends on your phone model. Find WhatsApp from the list and tap on it. Then tap on Storage, then hit Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the crash. If the issue still continues, go back and also tap Clear Data, but make sure your chats are backed up before doing this, cause after clearing data, all are gone. Next, check for any available WhatsApp updates in the Google Play Store, since outdated versions can crash often. Also, make sure your phone's system software is up to date. If none of these works, uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it fresh from the Play Store. That should stop the crashes for good. If this helped you out, smash that like button, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.